In this video, I will show you how to make your desktop look clean and minimal. If you're looking to make your Windows 11 desktop clean and minimal, here are some great tips. So the first thing you can do is to hide desktop icons. To do that, go ahead and right click on your screen and then hit on view and then uncheck show desktop icons. Now once this reloads, all of the desktop icons will be gone. Another thing that you can do is to go ahead and organize your files. So go ahead and open File Manager and organize your files in folders. Create folders to store important files and remove the unnecessary ones to be able to gain more disk space. Now, the next thing that you can do is to uninstall unused apps. So to do that, go ahead and open Control Panel. On Control Panel, click on this Uninstall a Program under the Programs tab. And in here, go ahead and remove apps you no longer use to declutter your system. And the last thing that you can do is to go ahead and choose a minimal wallpaper. Select a simple, clean wallpaper to enhance the aesthetic of your desktop, and that's basically how you can make your desktop look clean and minimal. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe into our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.